Good morning, YouTube. Tony here. Buenos dias. Here we got something I want to install in my truck today. This is the brake. I bought the power stop brake, front and rear, the disc also. The roller. This is in Spanish, I'm sorry. The roller. Also I bought this is the block for the rear. This is 4 inch. This is 4 inch block. Because my truck is not level, this is higher on the front. This is the U-ball, longer. And this is also a block for the rear, but this is 3 inch, this is 4 inch. So I want to install to see which one is better. Okay, I will let you know. I will show you a little bit more in the process. So, okay, see you soon. We are going to level the truck today. It's a little bit high on front. It's almost 3 inch high on front. I don't know if lift a little bit on the rear with 4 inch block. Now it's 2 inch block, or lower the front 1 inch. I got the Bilstein on the middle parts and 6 inch block footage. So I don't know if I want to lower because for some reason the tie rod hit the coil. I don't know if that, oh, you can see here, you see. Oh, let's see. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't know if I lower the Bilstein to the bottom, that will be solution the problem. I think not. It will hit here on this one. So let's see. Also I will put new brake, new rotor, power stop seat at seat 36. So let's see. Hey, you two, we're here. We just changed the rear rotor, new pad, the power stop. Also we add the 4 inch block so the car can be level. Before we have 2 inch, so now we got 4. So, and also on the front, new rotor, new pads, and we see after that how they will look. So le pusimos un bloque atrás de 4 pulgadas para nivelarla, rotores nuevos, los pads power stop nuevos, y al frente igual le vamos a poner los discos y los power stop, los pads nuevos. So, a ver si queda nivelado porque antes no estaba a nivel, estaba 3 pulgadas más adelante levantada. Ahí le hago otro videito para que vean después, y vamos a hacer uno para que vean cómo se instala el bloque. Hey, you too, Tony here. We leave the spring. He leave the spring, the mechanic. And now we're gonna install the 4 inch block. You see, he didn't remove the tire, nothing. He just leave remove the U-balls and leave the truck from here, from the spring, and that's it. That's easy. El mecánico solamente puso este bloque y levantó desde el spring, no removió la rueda ni nada, no hacía falta. Y ya entonces de 2 vamos a poner uno de 4 y levantarlo de atrás un poco. Ya hicimos este lado de acá. Ya está. Después les dejo saber cómo va todo. Okay, we just lowered the Bilstein. You can see the spring here. He didn't take nothing. The mechanic just compressed the spring. He lifted the car from here, compressed the spring. He lowered, and you can see the spring there. We move it so to the lower size, to the lower part. Aquí pueden ver, compresamos el spring, él compresó el spring. Lo levantó de aquí para bajar, entonces quitarle este spring de Bilstein 5100, porque estaba en el del medio, entonces ahora lo bajamos. Él no quitó nada, ahí mismo lo hicimos. Ahí tienen, para que vayan aprendiendo. Hi YouTube, this is the final. We lowered the front, the Bilstein, we lowered 1 inch, and we put a block 4 inch. Before it was 2 inch. So now the truck is level. It's a little bit high in the rear, but it's not that much. Ya entonces bajamos aquí los amortiguadores, los Bilstein 5100. Los bajamos una pulgada y subimos, pusimos un bloque de 4 atrás. Ya la troca está nivelada. Ese fue el trabajo que hicimos hoy. Bastante bien se ve ahora. He look very good now.